In any survival situation, having the right tools can dramatically increase your odds of staying safe. Today, we're diving into the must-have bushcraft gear that will help you not only survive, but thrive in the wild. Whether you're out on an adventure or facing an emergency, the skills and tools we'll cover are crucial for building shelters, starting fires, and navigating safely through the wilderness. Let's get started by exploring the best bushcraft gear and practical ways to use them in real-life scenarios. First, let's talk about the knife. This is arguably the most critical tool in any survivalist kit. When choosing a knife, go for a full-tang, fixed-blade design. This means the metal extends all the way through the handle, making it incredibly durable. Whether you're making feather sticks to help start a fire, processing game, or carving wood for traps, your knife will handle it all. Practice using your knife in various situations, so you'll know its full capabilities. Next up is the folding saw. A saw offers a significant advantage when it comes to cutting wood for shelters or fire. It's lighter than an axe, quieter, and more efficient. It allows you to cut through thick branches without expending much energy, an important factor in survival when you need to conserve calories. A folding saw can fit easily in your pack and offers a safer way to process wood. Moving to fire-starting tools, we can't always rely on matches or lighters. They're great to have, but they'll eventually run out or fail in wet conditions. That's where a ferrocerium rod comes in handy. With a ferro rod, you can create sparks at extremely high temperatures, even in rain or snow. Combine this with dry tinder, and you've got a reliable fire starter that's not dependent on fuel. Another critical piece of gear is cordage like paracord. This versatile tool has countless uses in the wilderness, from securing shelters to making traps, or even using it as a tourniquet in emergencies. Paracord is lightweight, strong, and easy to carry, but what makes it even more useful is its inner strands, which can be separated and used for fishing lines or sewing. Next, let's talk about navigation tools. While technology is great, you should never solely depend on a GPS in the wilderness. Batteries die, and signals can be lost. A compass and topographic map are tried and true tools that will never fail you. Make sure you know how to read a map and navigate using landmarks, as these skills are often overlooked but are crucial for finding your way out of dangerous situations. Additionally, a good tarp is a lightweight, versatile shelter option. You can set it up quickly for protection against the elements, and in a pinch, it can also be used to collect rainwater or provide ground cover. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of lighting. A headlamp is ideal because it keeps your hands free while you work. Choose one with a long-lasting battery, and consider carrying backup batteries in case you're out longer than expected. To recap, your survival kit should include a durable knife, a folding saw for efficient woodcutting, a ferrocerium rod for reliable fire starting, strong paracord for multiple uses, and a compass with a map for navigation. Don't forget a tarp for shelter and a headlamp for hands-free lighting. These tools, when combined with your knowledge and skills, can make all the difference in the wilderness. Now that you know the essential tools for bushcraft survival, it's time to start building your own kit and practicing with each item. The more familiar you are with your gear, the better prepared you'll be when the unexpected happens. So, get outside, test your skills, and remember, survival is all about preparation and adaptability.